What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're outside in beautiful Michigan. Don't let the sun fool you. It's only 38 degrees out and it still is not warm enough to ride here in Michigan. So today what we're gonna do, being that the sun's out, we have had like 8 days straight of rain and flooding, and it's just been an absolute mess here in Michigan. I actually haven't even washed the Harley since Daytona, and I haven't got the car out for the season yet or anything. So most of you guys that have been following me for a while have noticed some different vehicles in and out of my garage in the last couple months, and I figured I would just make this video and give you guys a little garage update on what vehicles I have. And obviously you guys have seen the Harley videos lately, but I haven't really introduced my new Mustang to the channel yet, so I'll go ahead and do that in today's video. And I'll also show you guys my new Ram 1500 that I have in the garage as well. So without further ado, let's hop into today's video and show you guys the garage. We're gonna go ahead and open the garage and see what we got in here. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got my new 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn over here. I have it leveled on 22 by 12s on 33s. I will pull that out here and go over all the specs with you guys. Now moving on to the Mustang. This here is a 2018 Mustang GT with the 5.0 liter V8, and as you can see, it's got twin turbos. This is my new toy. I haven't really introduced to the channel yet. We're gonna have a lot of content with this car this summer, going to different track events. Stay tuned. You're not gonna wanna miss content with this car, guys. This thing is insane. I'll go over all the horsepower and specs here in just a minute once I pull it outside. But that's my new baby. I got this at the end of last year, so I haven't had much seat time in it. But I've taken it to the track, had a couple fun runs in on the street, and it's definitely a bad bitch. So I will pull it out here in a few and go over all the specs on it with you guys. But then, moving over here, we've got my Harley. Dirty as hell. Still have not washed it since Daytona. And I got it over here on the stand. And as you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's just tons of bugs all over it. There's that saltwater film on it from Daytona. I have not had a chance to pull it out and wash it because it's literally been raining every day and cold since I got back from Daytona. So we're gonna give it a bath today and wash all that salt water residue off there and wash all the bugs off it and get it all clean and ready to go for the 2023 season here in Michigan. I just installed some new LED lights for the garage. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but it's super bright in here now. Obviously if the door was shut and it was nighttime, you guys would really be able to, you know, see how bright the garage is. I wish that my garage had a third door, like right here where my workbench is, because then I could just pull the Harley in and out right here and it wouldn't be a tight fit. But yeah, that's basically an overview of my garage. I wanted to give you guys a little garage update. Alright guys, so here we have my 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and as you can see, I have the windows tinted out. I got limo tint all the way around, and I've got 35% tint on the windshield. I had my roof wrap by Stark Customs. Shout out to Stark Customs. Austin always hooks it up for me. Had that wrapped when I first got it. I wrapped the Ram letters in the front white. They were chrome from the factory, and I figured the white would look way better, being that it has the white front end and the white grille. And then I have 22 by 12 Axe off-road wheels, gloss black with milled, on 33-inch Kenda tires. So they're 33-inch by 1250s. And as you can see, it has a nice stance to it. Tire just pokes outside the fender well just a little bit. I love the tread pattern on the tire. I tinted the taillights with VHT spray tint, and then I debadged the whole truck except for the Ram emblem back here. I actually wrapped my license plate gloss black with white letters, and I have a tonneau cover on here. But yeah, the truck's filthy. I've been driving it in the rain every day, so I don't know if the camera picks it up, but the truck is filthy. But yeah, I'm getting ready to wash this today. I'm basically gonna wash all the vehicles today because it is super nice out. It's our first nice sunny day, and I'm not even kidding, like 2 weeks. We've had nothing but rain and like flooding. over the last like 2 weeks. Since I got back from Daytona, it's just been nothing but bad weather here in Michigan. But yeah, overall, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Ram 1500. Alright guys, so what we have here is my 2018 Mustang GT 5.0. And as you saw earlier in the video, it has twin turbos on it. And with the twin turbos, it makes about 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels. That's about 1,200 horsepower to the crank. This thing runs really well. I can't disclose my times on here just because I do grudge race it here and there, so I'm not going to disclose times, but this thing freaking gets it, guys. And it is a full interior car. Doesn't even look like a race car. It's a total street car. It's literally got an N gauge here and that's it. Digital dash, it's got the big screen. This is a premium car, so it has the leather, heated seats and cooled seats. Full interior, even has a back seat. And yeah, I mean, stock shifter, stock trans. I mean, this thing is the perfect street car. That makes 1,000 horsepower. It's great. I had my buddy Austin start customs. He wrapped the roof. I had the windows tinted. These are only 20% tint all the way around, 20% on the windshield. Being that I drive this car at night a lot, I wanted to be able to see, so I didn't do limo all the way around like I did on the truck. But yeah, the color is called Orange Fury. It's an OEM Ford color, and in the sunlight it's really vibrant, really bright, and it actually has some pearl in it. I don't know if you can see, probably not, but it actually has pearl in the orange paint. So really sharp color. It's definitely growing on me. As you guys know, I like white vehicles, white on black, but being that this is orange and I blacked out the side markers, blacked out the running lights, blacked out the grille, obviously blacked out the roof, I definitely like the way the orange and black contrast with each other. And then moving on in the back here, I ended up putting a Shelby 5500 rear wing on it, and I tinted the taillights and blacked out the GT emblem. I also wrapped the license plate, just like I did on the Ram. And it's got a full exhaust, guys, full exhaust. And it's a straight pipe all the way back from the turbos back. It's a straight pipe, so full exhaust. It is on the factory wheels right now and tires, just because I was storing it all winter and I didn't want to store it on the drag radials. I have slicks and skinnies that I put on it for basically all summer. Like, I don't ever take them off. Once they're on, I don't take them off. But I'll put up a picture on the screen right here to show you guys what it looks like with the slicks and skinnies on it. Definitely looks better than the stock wheels, but like I said, I stored the car in my garage all winter and I didn't want the car to be sitting on those soft Mickey Thompson rubber. We have Bear racing brakes, front and rear. This car has BMR suspension all the way around. It has a full K-member up front. And yeah, that's basically all the info I'm gonna give you guys on the car. Like I said, I do street race it, I grudge race it here and there, so I can't give you all the horsepower and specs on the car, but stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna be making a lot of content with this car this summer, guys. It's not only gonna be Harley content coming to the channel. And yeah, we're gonna have a fun summer, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick garage update and show you guys what I have coming to the channel this summer besides Harley content. As you guys know, my channel has been based around my Harley for about a year now, and I just wanted to introduce my new Mustang to the channel because you're going to be seeing lots of it. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We have some epic content coming. I've got a lot of different events I'm going to, both with the car and with the Harley. But yeah, that's basically going to do it for the garage update. I'm going to pull the Mustang back in the garage and we're going to bring the Harley out and give it a bath. Alright guys, so John just pulled up at the house. I'm out here cleaning the Harley, as you can see here, and he pulled up in his new hot rod. He picked up a new smart car. That's what it is, right, John?
Smart car.
Smart car. And it's got some $4,000 paint job on it. Tinted headlights. it's this thing's pretty cool. It's black wheels. I mean, it's got all the, oh my God, look at this thing. What in the world? It's got a little wind up toy thing on the roof. All right, John, show us what it does. No way. This thing's on air ride, guys. Slammed. Look at that, tucking tire on a smart car. That thing's badass, John.
That's how we roll.
Look at the little wind-up thing. Are you kidding me? But no, check it out, guys. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. This thing is slammed down, tucking tire all the way around. It's on airbags. It's got a killer paint job on it. It's a cool little wind-up toy. But yeah, it's his new hot rod for the summer. I think he likes driving this more than he likes riding his Harley. What do you think?
Dude, I think I do. That thing's so fun to drive.
Alright guys, so got the bike all cleaned up. If you guys haven't got one of these blasters, you definitely need to get one. Cuts your drying time down in half. Gets all the water out of the fins of the motor and all the cracks and crevices on the bike. This thing here, definitely pick one up if you haven't already. I'll leave a link in the description below on where to get one of these. I get them off Amazon. Yeah, you have to have one. Clean a Harley. It makes it so much easier for drying it off. Alright guys, so I just got the bike rolled back into the garage here, and as you can see, she's all cleaned up. Looks so much better now that I gave her a bath. But now we're gonna hit it with this new Shine Armor graphene ceramic detail spray. Shout out to Shine Armor for sponsoring this video. This stuff here works pretty freaking good, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it and then show you guys how the bike looks once I put it on there. This stuff here is really easy to use. It's fairly cheap, and they definitely make a really great product. So shout out to Shine Armor for sending me this to try on the Road Glide. I'm gonna show you guys what it does here in just a second. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to apply the Shine Armor graphene ceramic spray to the Road Glide, and I just want to read you guys the directions on how to use it. So first it says spray this on a microfiber towel. Do not apply it to the paint, just apply it to the rag first, and then wipe the product on the paint and let it sit for like 1 to 2 minutes before you wipe it off. So very simple directions to follow. Basically just put it on a towel first, put it on a microfiber towel, which I'm using this microfiber towel here. Just spray it on there just like this, and then apply the rag to the paint like this, and just put it on there. And as you can see, it leaves like a film, right? And then you let that film sit there for 1 to 2 minutes and then wipe it off, and we'll see what it looks like once we do that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just sprayed the bike down with the new Shine Armor graphene ceramic spray. This stuff here absolutely rocks. Look at that glare on the Vivid Black, guys. Like, look at how wet the paint looks. I mean, I hope the camera can pick it up. Shout out to Shine Armor for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link to this in the description of the video if you guys want to order up some for yourself. They also sell other products, so make sure you guys check out their website and check out all the other products they do sell. I just installed all new LED lights in my garage, if you guys couldn't tell. All new here. I wanted it a lot brighter in here, and I think you guys can tell in the picture that it's a lot brighter in here in the garage. And also, I just upgraded cameras, and I'm shooting in 4K now. So guys, comment down below, let me know if you noticed a better quality video and also sound. They say the microphone on this is much better than the GoPro, so I'm hoping that the quality of my content is going to improve. That's the goal on the channel, is to bring you guys more quality content for 2023. So I'm definitely excited to use this new camera and get some epic content for you guys this year. But that's basically going to do it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.